Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best automatic gate openers that are available on the market for their true quality. My personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the commercial automatic sliding gate opener. You don't have to get out of your car to open the gate. With the Eleco AR1400 NOR opener, you simply press a button on the remote, and the gate opens. It opens faster than most in its class, and this improves the security. The unit works with different gate types and is ideal for both residential and commercial applications. It measures 156 by 7 by 6 inches and doesn't take too much space. And considering it weighs less than 20 pounds, it won't exert undue pressure, strain on the gate. Installing the unit is easy and doesn't take a lot of time. You also don't need to be an expertly to do it. Moving on, at number 4, we have the automatic gate opener light-duty single swing gates. The Mighty Mules gate opener will allow your gate to open and close automatically with minimal ease. Simply push the button and wait for a short time. It comes in a newly improved D design, which is more effective than the earlier types and works with a variety of gates. The item is designed for swing-type gates and is easy to install. You only need to follow the instruction that comes with the package. Although it is lightweight, the device can handle gates as long as 12 feet and as heavy as 300 pounds. It is powered by a 12-volt marine or automotive battery and can also be connected to solar power. At number 3, we have the medium-duty single swing gates. The M360 automatic gate opener from Mighty Mule is what you need to improve the security in your office, home, and other places. The simple unit is made using sturdy materials and can safely bear gates that are as heavy as 550 pounds. It is fit for gates up to 16 feet long and works best with swing gates. The exclusive DualSense technology improves functionality and can be used with wood, vinyl, panel, ornamental, tube, and chain link gates. The black-colored opener runs via 12-volt DC battery, and the included DVD will help you in the installation process. At number 2, we have the Gate Opener Solar Kit. The Easy Gate Kit combines safety, reliability, efficiency, and longevity. It comes with an automatic gate opener package, 2 remotes, and one 5-watt solar panel. The Mighty Mules EZ accessory is designed for swing gates and is compatible with different types. It installs easily and quickly using basic tools, and comes with an interactive DVD for easy installation. The opener can handle gates as long as 16 feet and weigh up to 550 pounds. To operate it, you require a 12 volts marine or automotive battery. And to keep the cost of power on a minimum, you can connect it to solar power. And finally, at number 1, we have the heavy-duty solar dual automatic gate opener kit. This gate control automatically opens swing gates weighing up to 300 pounds. It has a simple design which makes fitting and operating easy and user-friendly. The Ghost Controls TDS2 XP is among the heavy-duty products, but is ideal for tubular types of gates. It runs via 12 volts DC and works best with gates with a maximum length of 20 feet. You can fit it on chain link, ornamental, plantation style, and other types of gates. The word from consumers is that it's very silent and the operation is very smooth. The frame is also resistant to rust and doesn't require frequent maintenance. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.